bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. It's the male half of UK-PINAY, and today I'm using Ascension's brand new DJI Osmo Nano camera, complete with the idiot clip where you can put this on your baseball cap and mount the camera. And I'm going to do a bit of unboxing of my own. You guys will notice every time there's an unboxing on this channel, it's normally something I've bought for Ascension. It's normally a new camera. It's either the Pocket 3 or it's an Action 5 Pro, or it's an Osmo Nano, or it's an Osmo 360. Well, you know what guys, for a change I'm treating myself. Don't tell her, but I've spent $2,000 on a new drone. She's going to kill me when she finds out. But anyway, it's here and we're going to unbox it. So if anybody wants to buy my old DJI Air 2 drone, it's for sale. 200 quid. Just PM me, come and pick it up. It's got a hard case, it's got everything, and I'll show you why it's for sale right now. Look like a right idiot. God. You impressed, babe?
No, babe, not impressed.
Oh, it's your camera. Right.
It's recording, isn't it? Why are you recording on my...
Oh dear. I'm trying to do this unboxing and be serious. Trying to be very serious. Right. So let's just angle this down. First time I've used a Nano. Let's see what's in the box. This is where I get rumbled. I'll slice myself to pieces. What's in the box, guys? Well, I already took. Oh! Well, I said I was going to buy something. I did say it was a drone. Now look at that. DJI MAVIC 3 Pro Fly More combo with DJI remote, the bundle Fly More. This is a bit fancy. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we bought. Right. How do you get into it? Be so careful. So I'll probably slice my fingers off. You know we like to keep the boxes as well. It's always good to keep the boxes, because if you come to sell things on, you've still got the box. Are you going to kill me, babe?
Yes, it's 2,000.
I don't think she's very impressed.
How much?
Not a lot, babe. Yeah, not a lot. Let me just adjust this camera again. Getting used to this now.
What? How much?
Nah, just a little bit, babe.
What a little bit. At least we know how much.
Yeah, 2,000 and yeah, about $2,000, babe. Oh. Right, now what is in this box? This is a bit fancy. This is not like your normal bag. Oh. Wow, it's a bag. I thought you'd say wow. As soon as anybody mentions a bag in Ascension, it's just wow.
The bag was mostly expensive.
This is funky. It's all like a waterproof thing. A little pull clip thing on it. Oh, I like this. I had one of these before, you know, and you could convert the bag into a rucksack. I'm not sure if you can on this one. I don't think you can.
Yeah, there's a new model. How come the same?
I don't know. Alright, let's put that over there for now with the missus. What else is in the bag? Ah, there's a box.
Already in pajamas.
Yeah. Okay. And we've got a box. What's in the box? Here's the question. Oh, okay. Well, you're seeing it as I'm seeing it, guys. Well, that's a bit mad, because that's like a US plug adapter thing, which is great for when we go Philippines,
Yeah,
because we'll be able to use this plug in the Philippines. So that's just a power cable. In fact, that power cable, it's a kettle lead, babe. You can use that for a few things in the Philippines. What's this one? That's another one exactly the same. 2-pin.
Yeah, give it the plastic one.
It's a 2-pin. So I've got two of the same.
Yeah.
Why have I got two of the same?
Probably for the drone and for the camera.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm not panicking now. There's a 3-pin. There's a 3-pin one.
For battery in the drone.
That's another 2-pin. What?
You will know later.
Hang on a minute. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 of those. 3. And one with a 3-pin.
That's different one too.
That's different. That's like a shaver one.
Yeah, because if you go different countries, different.
Well, that's smart. Right, but why have I got 3 of these?
You will know later on.
There's no difference. Absolutely no difference with them. 1, 2, 3. Why have I got 3? That'll come in handy for something. That'll be coming in handy if I want to charge anything up in a bathroom, because it's mad. And that's only really the only one I need. Oh, wait a minute, There's something else in the box. Oh, you would not believe it. That's a different type again. That is... I'm not sure where that type's from.
Yeah, it's different because if you go to another country, different
Why have I got 3 of that type?
You wouldn't know.
One of that type. One of that type. That's the one I need. Hang on, something else in the box. Ah, another one. So I've got 2 of those. One of those pins looks a little bit bent. The left hand side. This pin looks a bit that way. That's mad. So out of all those, I only need 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I probably won't use, and 1 that I will. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's mad. It's like it's a 2-pin kettle lead end, so they're quite easy to get. These, I can get more of these if need be. Oh well, by the by. So, this. I take it this is, right, I know what this is. This is a 100-watt charging brick. You know, like that one you've got in the spare bedroom? 2 USB-C outputs, guys. 2. That will charge out at 100 watt. That's good. Which means that the 100 watts one of these we've got that plugs straight into the wall, which has got 2 USB outputs, will charge the drone. Because that's 100 watt. Feel the weight of that, babe. Heavy, isn't it? Okay, so they're the 2 bits we need. Something else in here. Right, So for now, this can all go back in there because I won't be using any of these things until we go to another country. What's in here? What's in the bag? Oh, it's like Christmas. Boys and toys. It's a black box, babe. Okay. DJI. Pull that bit back. Oh.
The filters.
Yeah, they're flash. They're nice. ND16, ND8, ND32 and an ND64 filter kit. Quite light. Oh, these are quite good actually. These are quite good. I like these. Quality. Okay. So you get 4 filters. I suppose they cost quite a bit if you went to buy them separate. God. They're outsmarted now. I got it. So you go back in there. Right, so that's power leads, charging brick, filters. I think I know what these are. Spare propellers. Spare props. Now it takes 4 propellers. I don't know if there's any props on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's 2 sets of propellers spare. Because I don't know if there's any props on the drone yet. So let's say there's two full sets of props. Okay. What else is in the bag? Yes. I do like the package thing as well. 2 USB-C to USB-C cables, and you can never have too many of these guys. Just loads of cables. We've got loads. Well, it's handy because I use them for my computer as well. What else is in here? Oh! God, everything's backed up. That is the charging dock. That's the charging dock. So that holds 3 batteries, and of course it plugs in with USB-C. This is good because we can use that power brick we've got, or the charging dock. So there's 2 ways of charging that. We've got all those extra cables. Brilliant. Right, what's in this one? Oh, we've got another black box. One. These will be 2 batteries. These are big, heavy batteries. Much bigger than the DJI Air ones. He's going from the back. Of course, they're absolutely no power whatsoever in them. I suppose that's for transport, really. Same with that one. Yeah, very good, hefty battery. No power in that one either. And they just sit like that in the charger. Okay. Moving on. Oh. Did you want the honours, babe?
No.
You don't?
Because I'm wearing pajamas now.
It's too late now, you're on video. Pajamas, look! Look, Santa's in pajamas. This is... oh, the remote control. It's actually going to be a bit weird using a remote control with a screen like this, because at the moment with the DJI Air 2 I'm using a piece that sits on the controller and I've got like an iPad, so this is quite small, but I suppose I get used to it. You got the controller sticks there. Has that got any charge in it? Yes, it does. That's got charge in it. Very light. That's cool. So at least there's some charge in that. Right. Anything else in the box? No. No. You know, there should be something else in there. I saw on a video that there was a spare set of knob things for the controller. But you know what, I've not seen them. Like, you get a spare set of sticks? I don't know where they are. Yes. Not in here. Oh no. Tell me I've been ripped off. A set of knobs. 1, 2, 3. Don't have any. It's supposed to be a spare set. Oh, that's not good then, is it? Right. Now for the magic moment. Wow. Oh, it has got props on it, guys. There are props on it. So I've got 2 spare sets of propellers and the set that's on it. Now this is the MAVIC 3 Pro. This thing is a thing of beauty. God, it weighs some. Feel the weight of that, babe. Be careful, there's 2 grams there. No pressure. That is something serious. Build quality on it is amazing. Yeah, it's so much different. So much different. Right, there's somebody at the door, so I want to get back onto this in a minute. Right guys, sorry about that. Hang on, let me put the twat out back on again. So, believe it or not, that was another Amazon delivery. Can you believe it? They're like buses, you never get one and then within 10 minutes you get 2. So this is a bonus. Oh shit. What's she done? She's took the knife. She's took the knife. Mrs. fiddles with things all the time. She leaves something there and you put your hand out to get it. And she moves it. I think this is for the old Range Rover. It is. Cordless ratchet wrench. Okay. That's what that is, guys. That's for fixing cars. Okay. And this should be we know what this is. Laoag. Everything I buy for the UK-PINAY stuff is Laoag. So it's another one of these boxes, guys. A travel box. That's what that is. Quite a smart one. That is a waterproof flight case for the drone. Yeah, that works. Right, I can put all that in there then later, can't I? I can actually put goggles in this one as well. I don't have any FPV goggles though. Yeah, Laoag. It's quite a really good brand for protecting your stuff, guys. If you're buying stuff off Amazon, remember that name. You get hard cases for everything. That's smart. Like that. Right, let's get back to it. Where did that come from?
It's in the box. In the envelope.
Huh. So I bought a Samsung 256GB SD card as well, mini SD card. So that's for this drone. It's got memory in it, but that's for this drone. I thought I'd go Samsung this time round rather than SanDisk. Right, moment of proof. It's going to be a long bloody video again, isn't it? So apparently you just flick that bit apart. And that bit reveals. Oh, look at that camera. Wow. That's just mad. So much weight in it. I had a MAVIC 3 before, only briefly. I sold it, but it was a really nice drone. It's quite a big drone compared to the Air 2 that we're running at the moment. As I said, the Air 2 is up for sale now. If anybody wants it in the UK, let me know. So you've got vision sensors underneath, landing lights. Man, you've got sensors on the front for collision, sensors on the back for collision. There is a battery in here as well. Have you got any power in it? No, jack shit. Okay, so that's another one to be charged. A lot of the weight of this drone, guys, is the batteries. That feels much lighter without the battery, and much lighter. But she's a big one. That's a nice drone. Right, so I've got to charge batteries up then and connect everything and pair everything and put everything in that box. That's it really. We'll say goodbye, babe.
Goodbye, guys. Salamat po.
Hang on, let me take this stupid hat off again. Thanks for watching, guys. There's obviously going to be quite a lot more vlogs now, including drone footage. I don't know why I don't do it normally, drone footage, because we have a drone, perfectly good one. But yeah, we'll fly this at some point, and Jesus Christ. Right, that's my son calling me. Gotta go, have fun. Busy man, even on a Sunday.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.